Welcome to ISOPARA. Today we are going to see a day in the life of a mechanical engineer. The world hums with the marvels of modern technology, and at the heart of this intricate dance of innovation stands the mechanical engineer. From the sleek design of a sports car to the efficiency of a manufacturing plant, every aspect of our mechanical world bears the fingerprint of these unsung heroes. Join us on an exploration into the day-to-day life of a mechanical engineer, where creativity meets precision in a seamless symphony of design and functionality. First is morning prelude, the day begins. The morning sun heralds the start of another day for our mechanical engineer. Armed with a strong cup of coffee and a mind brimming with ideas, they step into the bustling world of engineering. Mornings often commence with a brief review of ongoing projects, a check on emails, and perhaps a team meeting to synchronize efforts. Second is the design desk, where ideas take shape. At the heart of a mechanical engineer's day lies the design desk. Here, ideas come to life on computer screens adorned with intricate CAD, computer-aided design software. Every curve, every dimension, and every material choice is meticulously crafted to ensure not just functionality but also an aesthetic appeal. Design engineers are the architects of innovation, translating concepts into tangible blueprints that will eventually evolve into real-world products. Third is simulation and analysis, ensuring viability. The mid-morning hours often see the mechanical engineer delving into the world of simulations. Finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamics simulations allow them to test the structural integrity, thermal performance, and fluid dynamics of their designs virtually. This phase is critical in identifying potential flaws, optimizing performance, and ensuring the viability of the proposed solutions. Next is prototyping, from virtual to reality. As the clock inches towards noon, the focus shifts from the virtual realm to the tangible world of prototypes. The manufacturing flow comes alive with the sounds of machinery and the sight of engineers overseeing the birth of physical representations of their designs. Prototypes are not just proof of concept, they are the bridge between the digital and physical, providing a tangible canvas for further refinement. Next is lunch interlude, a breather amidst machinery. Noon brings a welcome break, a moment for the mechanical engineer to step away from the complexities of designs and simulations. Lunch might be a brief respite, a chance to recharge and discuss ideas with colleagues, fostering a collaborative spirit that often fuels creative thinking. Next is testing and analysis, navigating challenges. The post-lunch session is often dedicated to testing and analysis. Engineers rigorously examine prototypes, collect data, and run additional tests to ensure that every component performs as intended. This phase involves a delicate dance of problem solving, as challenges emerge, demanding swift and effective solutions. The ability to troubleshoot and innovate becomes paramount in navigating these intricacies. Next is collaboration across disciplines, bridging gaps. In the collaborative world of mechanical engineering, afternoons often involve interdisciplinary interactions. Mechanical engineers liaise with electrical engineers, materials scientists, and other specialists to ensure that their designs seamlessly integrate with other components. Clear communication is key in this phase, as different disciplines converge to create a unified and functional whole. Next is project management, wrangling complexity. As the day progresses, project management takes center stage. Mechanical engineers juggle multiple tasks, balancing deadlines, budgets, and the need for perfection. This involves coordinating with project managers, updating progress reports, and adapting to the dynamic nature of engineering projects. Next is evening reflection, lessons and innovation. As the sun dips below the horizon, the mechanical engineer takes a moment to reflect on the day's achievements and challenges. Lessons learned from each project become stepping stones for future innovations. The ever-evolving nature of technology ensures that every day is a learning experience, demanding adaptability and a thirst for knowledge. Next is the aftermath, beyond office hours. While the official workday may end, the mind of a mechanical engineer seldom rests. Evenings might involve further research, staying updated on industry trends, or engaging in personal projects that allow for creative exploration beyond the confines of the workplace. Hence, we can call this as crafting tomorrow's innovations today. A day in the life of a mechanical engineer is a whirlwind of creativity, precision, and problem solving. From the design desk to the manufacturing floor, from virtual simulations to tangible prototypes, each phase contributes to the fascinating journey of transforming ideas into reality. The mechanical engineer is not just a professional, they are an artist, sculpting the future of technology with every stroke of their engineering prowess. In this behind-the-scenes glimpse, we witness the dedication and passion that fuel the ever-evolving world of mechanical engineering. Thank you.